Hi, boys and girls. It's Monday, April 6th, and the first thing we're going to do today in this video is we're going to review last Wednesday's assignment. So as you can see on my screen, I have the sort, and so we're going to talk about each one of those and why they were sorted the way they were. So the first one is there can be several main ideas in a text. That is true. The reason is because a lot of articles and essays will be divided up into sections, and those sections have headings. And those sections often are all about one single main idea. Well, there's several of those in a text. When we summarize those main ideas, that's when we come up with our central idea. And usually a text only has one of those. So here this one is next. It says there can be several central ideas. We're going to put that in the false. Okay? All right, the next one we're going to talk about is paraphrasing key details is the first step you should do. I think this is true, although some people said this was false because they said technically reading the article is the first thing you should do, and I agree with that. But after you read the article, the next thing you do is paraphrase the key details. Paraphrasing is what we're going to talk about today in the next video, so keep that in mind. Paraphrasing does not mean the same as quoting directly. Okay, we're going to talk about that. The next one is the key details help a reader figure out the author's big idea in a section of a text. The answer to this one is true. The key details should help you figure out the main idea or the big idea. The next one is use keywords from the main idea statements when writing a central idea statement. That is true. Miss Kinsey's video showed how we used the word failure as an example when it was in all the main idea statements except one. That was the key to knowing that that's what the central idea was all about. That was the topic. So we took that topic and we made it into a sentence for a central idea statement. The next one says, write words or phrases for central ideas, not complete sentences. This is false because we do want to use complete sentences, always. The next one says, the author usually states the main idea in the first or last sentence of the paragraph. Well, this one was hard to grade because it says the word usually. But the author doesn't always do this, so we could say it's true because he usually gives it in the first sentence, but not always. So if you put it in true or false, it's fine. I'm actually going to put it right in the middle because I don't think it's either. It has the word usually in it, so we don't know. I think it's more true than not, but I didn't count it wrong either way place you put it. All right, this one is an obvious answer. The first step you should do is to determine the central idea. No, that's false. Because the first step you should do is focus on your key details and paraphrase them, put them in your own words, then move on to your main ideas, and then finally take the main ideas and put them into a central idea. So that's the last step you should do. All right, boys and girls, so take a look to see if you got your answers correct, and if you did, great job. You can also look back at your email to see, or the assignment from last Thursday to see your grade on this assignment, and you can check your grades online as well and hack to see if you got a great score on this one or not. All right, go on to the next slide and see the next video.